Imagine you're on a peaceful journey. The road stretches ahead, mountains on one side, a deep valley on the other. A massive truck moves slowly across an old bridge. And then, in just a few seconds, everything collapses. Today, we're talking about one of the most shocking and terrifying travel disasters, a truck collapse. Not just metal and concrete falling apart, but lives, journeys, and safety systems failing in real time. The moment everything went wrong, it often starts quietly. A heavy American-style tractor-trailer, fully loaded with cargo, approaches a bridge or elevated road. The driver has crossed this route many times before. The bridge looks old, but usable. Traffic is light. Weather seems normal. Then comes a small warning sign, a slight dip in the road. Before anyone can react, the structure gives way. The truck tilts. Metal screams. And in a horrifying instant, the entire vehicle plunges downward. What should have been a normal journey turns into a travel nightmare. Why do truck collapses happen? Truck collapse disasters don't happen because of one single mistake. They are usually the result of multiple failures coming together. 1. Overloaded vehicles. Many trucks carry loads far heavier than what bridges or roads were designed to handle. 2. Aging infrastructure across the world. Thousands of bridges are decades old. Some were built when traffic was lighter and trucks were smaller. Cracks, rust, and weak foundations often go unnoticed until it's too late. 3. Poor maintenance, lack of regular inspections, delayed repairs, and budget cuts can silently turn roads into death traps. 4. Weather conditions, rain, fog, snow, or strong winds can reduce friction and visibility. Water seeps into cracks, weakening concrete and steel over time. When all these factors combine, disaster is only a matter of time. Inside the driver's mind, 3:30 to 4:40 for the driver, the collapse is pure chaos. Many drivers survive with severe injuries. Some don't survive at all. Behind every collapsed truck is a human story, a family waiting at home, unaware that their loved one's journey has ended forever. Impact beyond the crash. A truck collapse isn't just a single accident. It creates a chain reaction. Roads are shut down for days or even months. Trade routes are disrupted. Emergency services struggle to reach remote areas. Nearby travelers are stranded. Local economies suffer huge losses in tourist regions. Such disasters damage the image of the destination. Travelers begin to fear routes that were once considered scenic and safe. Real-life lessons from truck disasters around the world. Truck collapse incidents have taught us painful lessons. Safety warnings must never be ignored. Infrastructure needs continuous investment. Weight limits must be strictly enforced. Technology like load sensors and bridge monitoring systems should be mandatory. Every collapse reminds us that travel safety is not optional, it's essential. Could this have been prevented? In many cases, yes. Regular inspections could have detected weak points. Strict weight checks could have stopped overloaded trucks. Modern sensors could have warned authorities before failure. A warning for travelers: as travelers, we often trust the road blindly. But awareness can save lives. Avoid risky routes during bad weather. Respect roadblocks and warning signs. Stay alert near bridges and mountain roads. Choose reputable transport services. Adventure should never come at the cost of safety. A truck collapse is more than a shocking visual. It's a reminder of how fragile our travel systems can be. Behind every disaster is a lesson. And behind every lesson is a chance to prevent the next tragedy. Travel smart. Travel safe. Because one moment on the road can change everything. Subscribe, like and share.